I was really surprised at how much you spoke today.
Thank
I
you.
was really surprised, actually.
So like 今日は2025年、9、9月 ?9 月 ?9
9
月。
月。
9月。24?
9月24。はい。Is it 24th today?
Yes. はい。
24。
24、日
は
What did I
い。
say?
はい。
日と、水曜日。
水曜日。
水曜日。はい。
そちらは何時ですか？
そうん。
そちら。
うん。午後、うん、6、6時
6時。
6時、34分。
34分。
分。
はい。
はい。
あ、
はい。
すごい。すごい。So can you say to 1 to 100?
はい。It'll take
お、
some
す
time,
ごい。
but
す
yeah,
ごい。
I think I go further too. It's just when you get to like 300 instead of like san hyaku, it's san byaku.
300。
Mm, to there's a couple of them. I can't remember. What's the other one? Hop byaku? Hop
800。
hop byaku? To what's the other one? I can't remember. The other 100 that's irregular. Is it?
Oh, right. 100、200、300、8 instead of 800, right?
I think it's how do you say 600? I think
600. Yeah,
ろ
600. That's
白
right.
with the B.
600。
Okay. もう一度
600。
600。600。
600。
はい。
600。
when you get to the thousands, 3000 instead of 3000. はい。
3000。
3000 and then 8000.
8000。
8000.
Right,
はい。
right.
Yeah, so those are the ones I try to remember, but I think I got the numbers open.
Yeah.
I'll
Oh,
try.
wow.
Give me a random number. I'll try. Don't make it too hard. Don't make it too hard.
746.
46. 746?
Uh-huh.
はい。Okay.
Oh, wow.
And I always look for like a number somewhere, whether it's on a
Oh, yeah,
car
yeah, yeah.
or like a
Yeah.
sign or like a house even. And I'm like, all right, how do I say that? But
Oh,
I don't usually
good.
say it out loud because I don't want to look crazy.
Oh, I see, I see. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
even what you made a video about like try talking to yourself, and I
Oh,
want
yeah.
to do that. I want to do that more. I have to watch that again because I feel like that'll be very helpful.
Yes. Yes. I think that was really helpful for me. Something too is like I'm like doing something. So 勉強中 is like I'm studying.
Okay.
勉強中。
Okay. And is it chew?
Two, yeah, two. It kanji. Okay, you can see the kanji. It's easy.
Benkyo chew.
日本語勉強中です。So that means I'm studying Japanese.
もう一度。
日本語勉強
日本語
中です。
勉強中です。日本語勉強中です。
です。旅行中です。
旅行中です。
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 I'm traveling.
Traveling. Okay. Okay.
あ、
Yoko, is that
旅
a
行。
noun? And then you just add chudes to make it a verb? Like what you're doing? Does that make sense?
旅行 is a noun. Yeah.
Yoko. Okay. Got it. So when you add chudes after that, you're talking about you're doing whatever the noun
Yes.
is. Okay. Okay. That makes a lot of sense.
東京の人ですか？
東京の人ですか？
うん。
人。
人、
Oh, people?
うん。
People.
people, person, people.
京都の人ですか？
うん。
東京の人ですか？
うん。
大阪の人ですか？
うん。大
はい。
阪の人ですか？うん。
はい。
Yes. レストラン。
Restaurant?
う
This
ん。
one. Okay. Just want to make sure.
レストラン。うん。
Because the way it's spelled is different than how we would spell it in America. So, or in English.
Oh,
So I was
yeah, yeah.
wondering if you pronounce it the same or no. But there's a couple
No.
words like that, like, at least in the book, the Japanese book I have, like com
あ、
computer was like
あ、
computer or something like that. Like it's
yes.
very similar. Does this
うん。
bus take me to Nagoya or
うん。
Osaka or whatever?
Oh, that's actually good. Yeah. 東京行きですか？東京行きですか？
Iki desu ka?
うん。
Tokyo iki desu ka?
うん。Yeah. So this guy is just a question, right? Iki is a to go um to Tokyo, like Tokyo 行き
Oh,
ですか？うん。
okay.
So yeah, it's easy.
So I could just, if I ask somebody that, like they would
うん。
understand what I'm saying.
Yes.
So, sumimasen,
う
pause.
ん。うん。
このバスは、
うん。
あ、あちむ、むらい
あちむら。
村。Okay.
村。うん。
このバスは、あちむら行きですか?
うん。
Okay. Next time too, I'm gonna try another conversation with you. So I don't know, maybe I'll do like hobbies or something, or I don't know, something. But I have to learn more
う
words,
ん。
and each time I have to try a
う
conversation.
ん。
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that might be, yeah, actually, now that I
Yeah.
think about it, like stuff, maybe conversations in the store too. Like if I'm
Yeah.
trying to ask an associate, like
Yeah.
if I want to ask how much something is it ikaru? Ikaru?
いくら。
Or oh, ikura.
い
Right.
く
I
ら。
mixed it up.
いくらですか？
So if I
Yes.
just had something like I don't know, something in my hand, like
う
kore
ん。
wa ikura desu ka?
うん。
Is that correct or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
いくらですか？これはいくらですか？1500円です。I will
Um,
ask, I will answer like that. 1500円です。
もう一度
1500円です。
Goya?
500円。
What is that?
500円。
Oh, go. Okay.
500円。Yeah, and we
It's
don't say yen, it's n.
it's I
う
didn't know.
ん。
No, I didn't know that.
そう、
So
1000
and
円。1500円。
I'm gonna be saying moichido a lot
う
and
ん。
yukuri
Yeah,
a
that's,
lot.
yeah. And if you are looking for food or at the supermarket, maybe you have to ask because you can't read the sign.
Yeah, nah, definitely not. Oh,
Signs, yeah.
that's
Because
gonna be in kanji, right?
kanji, yes, most
Ah,
of the times.
yeah, yeah.
So I think I heard like some stores has numbers on the signs. So they
Ah,
might say that 一番,
mm,
一番 uriba, like aisle,
mm. I'll
something
work
like that.
on store stuff. Yeah,
So,
that's a good thing to work on next time. So
uh-huh,
another conversation and then like store stuff will be the next study
uh-huh,
for me.
uh-huh. Store
Okay.
stuff. Yes. I was really surprised at how much you spoke today.
Thank
I
you.
was really surprised actually.
I still wish I did a little better. Like I wanted to do better on just having a conversation, but you're never gonna know what the other person's gonna say. So if you don't know all the
but
words, it's hard to.